Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your Shopify 500 error. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So you will face that error while you're simply opening your browser, adding the Shopify, and while you're trying to access the official website, you will get that error right away upon opening it. First, basic thing, you gotta check your network connection. If it's not good, if it's turning on and off in between, that can cause the problem. Next thing could be that if you might have any VPN extensions on your browser, on your tab of the Shopify as well, that can also might cause that kind of issues. So make sure to remove all kind of extension from the browser. And now you're gonna go back and check out the Shopify status. If it's simply down, everywhere, then it's just gonna take time and solve it in no time. There's nothing wrong with your internet or connection. You can see all systems are operational. Now you can say Shopify is working pretty well everywhere. But if it's not working and if there is some kind of issues going on, then it will simply be showing that error everywhere in any time. That's why you just have to wait for a while till it fixes itself. Make sure to check on the Shopify status all the time, and then you can solve it likewise. So this is some steps to look for and your problem will be solved. So hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.